Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Keap to LinkedIn lead gen forms for instant follow-up, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Keap to LinkedIn lead gen forms for instant follow-up, start by logging into your Keap account. Navigate to the settings menu in the top right corner. Select integrations from the drop-down options. In the integrations section, look for LinkedIn lead gen forms. Click on the connect button next to LinkedIn lead gen forms. You will be prompted to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials to authorize the connection. Once authorized, return to the Keap integrations section. Next, set up the fields that will be mapped from LinkedIn to Keap. Choose which LinkedIn lead gen form you want to connect. Select the corresponding fields in Keap where you want the data to populate. After mapping the fields, save your settings. Now, navigate to your LinkedIn page where the lead gen form is located. Find the specific ad campaign that includes the lead gen form. Click on the campaign to open its settings. Scroll down to the lead gen forms section. Select the lead gen form you previously connected to Keap. Test the form to ensure the integration is working correctly. Submit a test response on your LinkedIn lead gen form. Return to your Keap account and check the contacts section. You should see the test lead appear in your list. Confirm that all mapped fields from LinkedIn have populated correctly. Once validated, set up follow-up sequences in Keap based on these leads. Create automated emails or tasks for instant follow-up. This integration allows you to engage leads promptly. Regularly monitor the integration for any issues or updates. Now you are ready to capture leads from LinkedIn and follow up instantly with Keap. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.